Hello little chess champs. Today we will learn about the value of the chess pieces and how they help you make smart decisions during your game. Why do chess pieces have values? Chess pieces are given value to help you to decide when to trade, which pieces to protect, how to plan attack or defenses. The value of pieces depends on how easily it can move around the board, how many squares it can control in one move, how well it can reach key position, how dangerous it is in your opponent's strategies. Let's bring the pieces. So king has no point value. Its survival is your main goal. Protect it at all cost. Queen have 9 points, the most powerful piece with unmatched range and flexibility. Rook have 5 points, strong in open files and great for attacking or defending. Bishop 3 points, control long diagonals and is excellent in open position. Knight 3 points, hops over obstacles and excel in tricky setup. Pawn 1 point, small but mighty. Pawn can turn into queens if they reach the other side. Why do these values matter? Chess piece values were decided by studying thousands of games and observing how each piece helps in winning. So this will come from the experience from many games. Player noticed which pieces were most effective in real game and assigned point based on their impact. The important points to remember: the values are guide, not a rules. They help you to decide if a trade is worth. For example, trading your queen 0.9 for a rook 5 points is usually not a good idea. Use them to prioritize protection. Your queen and rook are valuable, keep them safe. So what does this mean for your game? Smart trade. Always aim to trade a weaker piece for a stronger one. Example, a knight or bishop have 3 points, for a rook 5 points. Gives you an advantage. 5 points you are getting, white is getting 3 points. So pawns are special. Even though they are worth only 1 point, a promoted pawn can become a powerful queen. Use your queen wisely. It is your most powerful piece. Protect it, but also use it to a strong threat. Chess is not just about points, it's about positioning, planning, and strategy. Always think about how each piece fits into your overall plan. Great job, little chess champs. You have learned the value of chess pieces and how to use them in your games. Happy learning, little chess champs. See you in the next lesson.